My name is Matt Taylor. We started farming in 2016. Our farm operation consists of about 300 acres. It's all rented ground, about 80 acres of which are hayland, and the balance being pasture. We raise grass on our farm, and we market that through registered Hereford seed stock and as finished beef. The largest risk that we face as farmers on our farm is lack of rainfall. Being grass farmers, there are really three things that make our operation go: sunshine, a base nutrient level, and rainfall. We can control the nutrient level in our soils. If we don't have sunshine, there's a lot bigger problems that we're going to have on our farm than a dry year. But rainfall is one risk that we haven't been able to control until we became aware of the insurance. We got started with the RMA crop insurance last year. It largely as a result of the dry weather, the drought we had on our farm last year. There were 12 weeks that on our farm we had a total of a quarter inch of rainfall. The way our operation works is we stockpile a large amount of grass for our cattle to graze through the winter to reduce our hay needs. That lack of rainfall meant that we weren't able to stockpile that grass and had to buy additional forage. Almost $4,500 worth of additional hay was purchased last year for our operation. We normally feed about 120 days through the winter. Last year, because of that drought, we had to feed for nearly 6.5 months out of the year. When we started looking into options to reduce this risk, we talked with our extension agent, John David Johnson, and he referred us to our FSA and NRCS contacts, and they sent me to Larry Jones, who's my insurance agent. They were able to give me some resources to look at options for insuring our farm against drought, and that's how we got started. Being grass farmers, there are three things that drive our operation: sunshine, a base nutrient load, and rainfall. We're able, through fertilization, to handle that base nutrient level, and we're able to control that. We're not able to control sunshine, and if we don't have it, we're going to be in a lot bigger trouble than if we just have a drought. But the third leg is rainfall, and this insurance product has enabled our operation to control that risk at a very reasonable cost. Since signing up and learning about this insurance, I have recommended this insurance to other farmers. I think that being able to manage your farming risk, and for us, lack of rainfall is our biggest risk in our operation. And when I've told people about this, they have been hesitant to sign up. And it's really, I don't understand it. One of the things I always ask them, like, well, you have life insurance, you haven't died, are you upset that you didn't get the payout on your life insurance? It is simply a tool to manage risk and let you survive and go on to your next year. It's not a lottery ticket. It's not something you should try to find a way to get paid on. We look at it as, if it rains, we pay our premium, we're in good shape because it rains, we have plenty of forage. If it doesn't, this insurance allows us to purchase hay to make it through to the next year. That is very important for our operation. I'm not aware of how to increase. We have all of our forage acres under policy currently. If we increase acres, we would definitely add that into the mix and increase our base acre allotment under the insurance to cover that forage production, yes. I am very happy that RMA has offered the PRF insurance policy. It has allowed our farm to protect ourselves against our biggest risk, which is lack of rainfall.